Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome to the No Boss Empire show. Super excited to have you guys here with me today. And in today's video, it's going to be a very special video where I'm going to do a case study, a live case study, okay, for a good friend of mine, Miss Kaley Chu. And Miss Kaley Chu is a author, a motivation speaker, and a coach. So I had the privilege of having a conversation on the phone with her yesterday. What happened was she reached out to a group on Facebook in regards to creating landing page for her website so that she can get more sales for her coaching business. And I reached out and and spoke to her and says I'll help her out. I'm doing this for a case study. All I ask her is for her permission to upload all these, use her as a case study and upload this on videos so that I can show you guys what we actually do and how we dissect a business and see what we can do to help her. All right, now let's get on to Miss Kaley Chu and let me show you who is Miss Kaley Chu. So this is Miss Kaley. She's the author of the 100 Lunches. Okay, she's a TEDx speaker. Okay, and her story was she very shy in the beginning, just like myself. When she came into the country, she doesn't really like to talk to people outside of her community due to, I don't know, for me it was just shyness, and for her it was pretty much the same. And she worked in a financial planning industry where she needs to meet clients, and because when you're meeting clients you need to have that communication skills up, and because of that, breaking the shyness and going out and deciding how she's going to change her life, her communication skills. Okay, so what we have here is her website. So I'm going to quickly break down her website and everything. Now I'm actually on her website. As you can see, we are on her home page. This was done by herself. I would say she did pretty well, and she actually created this website on Wix. Here she has all the credentials, where she has been, who has interviewed her, a little YouTube clip of her doing the talk, which is good. Here's a little bit about what she is, and here there's a little bit there's another 3 buttons here, 3 call to action buttons on a home page. Okay, so quickly, there's a difference between a home page and a landing page. A website is, okay, what we're looking is a website. This is a website. Okay, this is her website. So a website will have a lot of buttons here where you can go to all the different menus, a bit of information, more buttons all over the place. And then you can get into a coaching, you can get into a speaking, media, shops, 100 lunches. Okay, so whoever is visiting this page will come here for will come here for information to see what is Kaley up to. You can come here to buy the book. Okay, without much further ado, we're going to hop onto Kaley's website and have a quick look at her website and see whether we can do a bit of improving on her website. So now I'm on her homepage. Her homepage is pretty good. She get all these credentials where she's been invited to share her story. Here we have a video of her doing the talk at TEDx. Here we have a little bit about herself. And if you want to read more about it, you can click on read more. You can start your journey at 100 lunges. This is another website that you can connect to, or you can go into confidence coaching. Okay, and here we go down to the next section where she explained, where she shows you where to buy her 100 Lunches with Strangers book and her contact page here. So what I want to see is I want to go to read more, and here it goes straight into her speaking profile. So basically her own profile. If you want to book her for to speak at your various events, and then we go down to media where you where she put up all the different okay, in the media she got all the interviews, the newsletters, all the articles that she has been on, which is fantastic. And then we go into the shops. This is where you can get onto the 6-week transformation coaching session. You can buy an ebook or the paperback book, and lastly, you can download a free 100 lunches starter pack. Very interesting. Okay, the thing is, if I wanted to get something for free, it should be easy. Now let's try and get this free starter pack. All right, I still have to add to cart. Okay, and then I need to, once I add to cart, we go to my cart and we go to checkout. To me, this is a no-no. Okay, why? Because it takes a person so many clicks just to get something for free. Okay, so we are here we have to go through so many steps just to get a free PDF. That is too much of a hassle, guys. So a couple of things with the website. One, the website is a website, it's not a landing page. Number two, the problem is there is no way she's capturing any emails, except if they want to capture email or to get any information from Kaley, she needs to go. Even I can't find where to put my emails down to get information from her. Contact. All right, there we go. So contact page. So she's not capturing any emails, anybody that actually visiting her website. So that's very crucial, guys. If you do not capture any emails for visitor coming to your website, you're losing a lot of leads, basically. Okay, so either we can have a pop-up that encourages people to put in an email so that she can send up some stuff, some freebies, some things to them. My advice to Kaley is, one, get a pop-up for the website. Number two, create a bit more information. So, like example, putting blogs in, having your YouTube videos on it, so people come here and they will come to your website, come to the website for more information on things that can help them in their business or help them in their life. Because what is happening here is all about her. It's all about Kaley on this website. So it's really nothing for her to do. Basically, either come in here to find out about Kaley, or if you want to buy a book, or you want to book her for a speaking gig, or you want to download her freebie. Okay, there's no direction in this. Where else, when we look at a landing page, there's nowhere else to go but down. Okay, so what we're going to do in the next video, we're going to create a landing page for her. One is to collect emails. Number two, maybe is to start selling her coaching business. But the main thing is we need a landing page to collect emails, because with emails, that's where you're going to do email marketing, engage more with your customers or leads. Okay, and now let's have a look at a couple of her social media page, because this is where her leads are coming from. Okay, I would like to go into the social media page right at the bottom. She's got her Facebook page, she's got her LinkedIn page, she's got her Instagram page, and she's got her YouTube page. So speaking with Kaley, she says that most of her leads comes in from LinkedIn and also her Facebook, her Instagram page. Okay, so her Instagram page has 10K followers, which is fantastic. We just need to capitalize on this, monetize, I would say, on the amount of followers she has. And I'll click on her link on the bio and let's see where it leads me to. It leads me to a Linktree website where she has a lot of different options for people to go to. Now, being an audience coming in to a page like this, again, there is a lot of option, and when you get a lot of option, people get confused, and confused people usually go somewhere else. So what I suggest because most of her page links back to her website anyway, it's confusing. So I told Kaley to cut it all back and only put things like maximum 3. I'll put maximum 3 links for people to click. The less is best. If you can have 1 link, it's easier. People just go there, they go to the next step and the next step. So that we will need to simplify this a little bit more. LinkedIn is great. She does well on LinkedIn, so she just need to create more connection, do a bit more, create more content with LinkedIn to get more leads. And I know Kaley is running a Facebook group, 100 Lunches group, or the Power is Proximity group. If you're out there, I'm going to put all her emails, all her group, and all her website down in the description, where you can actually go in and have a look too. You guys, if you are struggling with trying to grow your audience, grow your network, or you're struggling with actually talking to people, follow Kaley. She's fantastic. Okay, so we have to kick some of her social media. So we will actually capitalize on the Instagram page where we're going to offer her free book. 100 Lunches with Strangers is going to be free soon. Okay, guys? And this is Kaley Chu's YouTube page. And YouTube, she's got a bit of subscriber going on, which is good, but she will need a little bit more content going on, moving on forward. There we have it, case study on Kaley's website, and see how we're going to sort of revamp it. So if you guys got any suggestions or anything that you want to add in, please feel free to hit the comment box down below. And if you guys enjoyed this little segment, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. It will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys in the next video where I am going to build her a opt-in page to collect emails. Alright? See you in the next video, guys.